this is what we do. Let's go through some more adjectives though, because the Russians have got two adjectives for blue. They've got sini for dark blue and голубой for light blue. Now remember, I don't know if I think I told you in the first class, but if the ending of the adjective is stressed and it's and we're dealing with a masculine noun, then it will be spelt like this. It's spelt slightly differently from I or E. It's like this, oi. Bolshoi, yeah, Tolstoy, although that's not an adjective, that's the famous writer, but Bolshoi, yeah, let's look for them. Bolshoi, голубой, дорогой, молодой, yeah, all of these with masculine nouns, молодой человек, yeah, a young person, молодой человек, that will be o and then a y, oi, молодой человек. It's when it's stressed, голубой, молодой, большой, большой город. You have a big city, a big town, большой город. Okay? But синий is dark blue, so this is a синяя ручка. Синяя ручка, yeah? Because ручка is feminine. That's plural. I changed it to plural earlier, ручки. But ручка, ручка, stress on the first syllable. Ручка is feminine, so синяя ручка. Okay, or черная ручка, okay? Maybe somebody has light blue eyes. What do you say? You say голубые глаза, light blue eyes, голубые глаза. Maybe somebody has a yellow face. Then you say желтое лицо. And if you want to make that plural, you say желтые лица. Maybe somebody has green eyes. Зеленые глаза. Yeah, зеленые глаза. Maybe they have one green eye, in which case it's зеленый глаз. Glaz is over here, it's masculine. Зеленый глаз. Okay? Maybe somebody has a white house. Белый дом. But if you want to say white houses, you say белые